So everything we need is right here. User's manual, faucet, tubes, and the unit itself. Yes, you can change temperatures and settings right here. This is the outlet, regular if I can open it. And this is your inlet right here. So, well, I'm not going to install it here on the table, but I'm going to go install it where it belongs to and see how that works. Let me open this one up just to see what's inside this little bag. I know it's the faucet, but we'll better actually check it. Okay, so, yep, this is the faucet. Looks just like a normal faucet. This is the clamp that clips it from under. Good. Has a lot of tubing here that has to be connected. And besides that, I would say we're good to go. I'm actually impressed with the quality. Feels like stainless steel with the two valves. One for cold and one for hot here. Nice. I'll take that. And besides that, there's not much else to talk about except for go and install it. Okay, I've installed it right there. I didn't turn it on yet. Just connected the tubing and all that, which is pretty straightforward. And then on the top, we have the water thingy here, which it works. Well, the hot side is not going to work without turning it on, obviously. But the cold side acts like a pass-through for cold water. As you see, you get just filtered water. But if you want hot water, of course, we'll have to turn it on in a second and see that. It obviously depends on the degrees you put here. You want it 75, want it 113, whatever. Shows you. It goes up to 208. I don't need it that hot, but you can if you wish so. Here you can change it from different modes and all that cool stuff. As you see, I can put it on Celsius. 24 says right now. Hold it and put it back onto Fahrenheit. For example, you're ready to get some hot. Ooh, it got hot actually. And I only have it on 108. I don't have it on the hottest setting this machine has. So it can go much higher than that. I only have it in 108. And this water is literally super hot. And it got there quick. That is actually cool. And you can mix it a little bit with cold water. Oh yeah, much better. Now you can make this pressure higher if you want to. I don't need to, because this is going to be mostly just maybe to fill a glass for tea or hot chocolate or something quick and easy. But if you want to, you can do other stuff. Let me close it real quick. Really nice. I mean, this is really cool. And if you want just hot, cold water that goes through the filters that you have, your own filters, you can get just cold water. This is really cool, actually. Oh, yeah. And it gets hot right away. Look at that. 109. Perfect. And it was really easy to put together. There's nothing complex about it. Just find a 110-volt receptacle somewhere to plug it in. Let me close this. And that's it. You're ready to go. And besides that, there's nothing else I can tell you. It's really cool. You can get the app if you want to. And basically have these same exact functions on an app instead of under the sink. But that is totally up to you. I like to have this under the sink.